guys from CMA Exam Academy were just great.
Like if you are serious about the CMA and you want to get those results, definitely reach out to the CMA Academy.
Super excited, framed it on my wall in my office. Super proud.
When I passed the second part, I was feeling like, wow, I passed both of the parts in first attempt and now I'm in the market.
My salary 2x. And I was also able to actually started my own consulting business. And a big piece of that is that I have my CMA. So that gives me a lot of credibility.
The different opportunities that I've come across since then would not have been possible without having my CMA.
I got an offer with my expected salary. They give it to me because maybe also I have that CMA certificate. And with this CMA certificates, like you are more in demand and you have more opportunities. It's like you will not be afraid to lose job because you will have more opportunities. You'll be more confident.
Send you that email saying you passed, and it's just like a whole weight off the shoulders. I'm happier, I'm more confident in myself.
I was just overwhelmed with joy because it felt like all my hard work had paid off. And now I'm currently starting my own consulting business, and I'm thinking to myself, having those credentials definitely assisted and gave me that confidence too.
And for all of the materials you get, I mean, it's just the best value out there. It works well for a lot of different students, regardless of your learning style.
I remember within like 15-20 days, I got my first job confirmed. Now I'm a senior fund accountant in such a big, huge corporation. I felt like the world is in front of me right now and I'm ready for it.
I felt really excited and free in being able to apply to a broader range of jobs and things that really aligned more with my interests. So that was like a big weight off my shoulders, and knowing that I can advance my career in the way that I wanted to.
That certification got me the opportunity I'm enjoying now.